this question we have 2y minus 3 over 5 equals 1/2. Now again, we want to solve for our variable y. But as we can see, we have two different fractions in this equation with two different denominators. So to get rid of these denominators, we need to find the lowest common denominator of 5 and 2, and then multiply both sides of our equation by that. So the lowest common denominator of 5 and 2 would be 10. So we have to multiply both sides of our equal sign by 10 to get rid of our denominators. Now we want to take this 10 and multiply it by everything inside the brackets. So 10 times 2y is 20y, and then 10 times 3 over 5 is 30 over 5. And then 1/2 times 10 is 10 over 2. Well, we still have these fractions, but as we can see, we can reduce these down, because 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So if we reduce these fractions down, we have 20y minus 30 divided by 5, which is 6, equals 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Now we're left with an equation with no fractions, and we can simply solve for y. So to do this, we want to isolate for y by adding 6 to both sides of our equation. Now we have 20y equals 5 plus 6, which is 11, and then to get y by itself, we want to divide by 20. And we're left with y equals 11 over 20. Again, you can see if your answer is correct by plugging in 11 over 20 into y in our original question.